Yep. Oh, only supposed to get 6 inches. Maybe the first or second storm, but 2 in a row. Kind of sucked. I'll do a cold start on that. Just finished clearing my driveway. Well, no. Finished clearing my driveway out so I can get my wife's truck out. And then pull this out. I got this idling happily over here. Weights on the back, weights on the wheel. Yep. Fun times. Opened up my neighbors for them. So, fire this up quick here. I had it going yesterday to move it, so I'm sure it won't take much. Key? Yeah. Oh man, look at all that snow. I don't want to clear off too much in the driveway though. The more I gotta move. Give it to the town, they can deal with it. Look at that. This was clear yesterday. Almost a foot on the cab. I'll have to clear off the windshield a little bit though. I can push it that way. Pain in the butt. One-handed. Wet, heavy snow. I guess I'm not clearing off in the street. All the damn keys. Only gone forever. About good enough right there. See a bit. Enough to get me into trouble. Right. Oh, good. So that's good. Now I have this nice and stomped down. Perfect. Perfect. Don't even need them. As I've said 100 times, I still haven't fixed the choke. Give it a couple pumps. Usually you can hear it squirting. Push the clutch. This doesn't have an interlock switch, you don't have to, but rather than trying to spin the transmission in neutral through that thick gear oil. Oh. That was something. It's not too happy, but it's there. Yeah, that'll work, huh? No smoke yet. You know, better at least clear one windshield, one mirror at least. I don't think it's gonna die. Mirror's clean. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, I bet if I let it sit though, it would stall. Gurgle on it. Running rich. Real rich. Didn't even get the patio furniture. Got the cushions in. That's all that matters. Locking up a bit. There we go. Reverse. Take the brake off, huh? Speed bump of snow there. Struck surprisingly good in the snow. Two-wheel drive. Does have good tires. Tires are new. Okay. Park right there. Some idiot parked this tractor. Oh, that stinks. There's a fire hydrant right there somewhere too. Can you see it? I'll find it. Oh, I can see it. That's what I can see. Who's that? This is a terrible idea. Don't hit that red one. Definitely don't hit the blue one. I know the woman who owns it. I'm just gonna park it right here. Yeah, keep her out of the way. My high idle stick seems to be missing. My high idle hammer doesn't seem to be working. Yeah, I might stay running. Turn some heat on. Yep. Wife's truck in the garage. One more to clean. Yeah, it's not gonna stay running. And when it's wet and salty like this, the roads, I don't even take this thing out. Just put enough time in the salt. Until the roads are dry and then I'll drive it.